Good morning. We're out at garage sales pretty early here. It's about 7:30, and we stopped at one already across the street from where we live, and we found this Yankee candle warmer with the top. It's just separated right now, and
13 melts.
13 Yankee Candle melts. They should do pretty good. We got our co-pilots here in the back seat. Cooper and Jake here, and we rescue dogs too. Anyway, we're heading to our next sale, and there's a couple today that look pretty good, so I'm excited to get there. It's a little chilly out this morning, but I think we'll do okay. I think people are still going to have their sales. It sprinkled a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. You looking forward to it, Sarah? You look like it.
Yeah.
How much did you bring?
$2.
$2 again. I thought you learned your lesson. Well, we'll see what we can find, and we'll let you know, and we will try to give you a good show of the of some garage sales here. We just got out of that one. There wasn't much. We got a few stuffed animals. Some plush are good. There was a ton of kids stuff, and like I said, there's only a few plush things that are actually good. We're on to our next one. Where are we going?
I guess in Heritage.
Go on the other side of the subdivision into the next. There's a couple of estate sales today too. I'm gonna hit up also, and hopefully we'll find some good deals somewhere. So at that one, I spent $3.50, and I picked up a couple items for myself, so I'm not going to count those in, like some 25-cent fishing line, some 4-pound test line that will be good for trout fishing. We're going to hit up this other one here though. I did buy a $2 old Sears multimeter, and I looked those up, and it should be pretty good. We're gonna go to this next one here in just a second. I'll be there in just a second. and we'll see if they have anything good here. We did get 2 tickets, or 2 tags, 3 and 4, for the estate sale at 9 o'clock, so I got 45 minutes till then. And we'll pretty much be the first ones in the door, so that'll be pretty awesome. We'll see if they have any good stuff there. We've been to the people who are running the estate sale before, so we will hopefully get some deals. Maybe they give us a few deals before, so puppies are going crazy. Oh, here's a sale. So we will keep you posted on what we're getting. I found this awesome tracksuit. Older Adidas, not too old, but old enough. This tracksuit here for $4. It's got the white tag. And then I found a pair of Adidas shorts as well for $2. And I found a Panasonic tape recorder up there. We're trying to hold the dogs in here. That should be, I paid $2 for that. It should sell for around $35. So we went to the estate sale at 9 o'clock. We did, found a couple of things. I found a wood plane, an old Stanley one, which I recently sold before. And I got $125 for it. Paid $6 for this one. I don't think it'll bring $125, but it may bring about half of that. Maybe a little less, maybe about 50 or so. We're heading to this other one. It opens here in about 5 minutes. And I also found a few other things at that sale. Some chairs, my favorite. Some aluminum chairs. What else?
Some applesauce and a Scrubbing Bubbles refill.
Scrubbing Bubbles refill. Look those up. That's the motor thing itself that hangs is pretty good. The refills should be okay. I'm not sure. And so we're heading to this other one here. We'll see if we can find anything else.